Where did you buy that?
San Fernando.
Buy it should go to the person you care and love the most.
Intimate birthday celebration.
So, I will give it to myself. So, ayan guys, umorder lang kami ng pizza because we'll be eating somewhere also kasi. So, dito, after dito, kain kami dun sa may Totobis.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, it's look very cheap na, don't you?
Buksan mo yun, no? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, guys. Isa-surprise natin si Ate Rain.
Where did you buy that?
San Fernando. There is no cake na, no. There was full cake,
Oh.
but it was 1,800. I had only 2,000.
It's 1 o'clock. Who is opening 1 o'clock?
I find na in San Fernando.
May paganto-ganto pa. May paperero. Iba naman.
So, ito yung sorpresa sa akin ni Doc Milan, guys. Tell them what happened, Milan. Well, at the time is 2 o'clock in the morning. What happened?
You tell it in Tagalog.
What happened na? So, kanina hinahanap ko si Milan. I was looking for Milan earlier because I went for peeing. And then I cannot find him. I thought he went to 7-Eleven to buy some drinks or something, snacks. And then when I go out, no one is here. So I wake up James to go and check with me. What if something happened to him? What if some gangster went to take him? Something like that. And then he did not say anything. But it's my birthday pala. Ayan no, that's why he bought something like this eh. Kasi naman ni Kuya Milan.
Your favorite food?
Ayan, meron tayong favorite food dito. Meron tayong French fries, chocolate, cake.
Cake because at 2 o'clock nothing is open. No bakery is open at 2 o'clock na.
Sobrang effort naman. I thought you went already to the Kutita. You went there, now you're just not telling me.
Where?
Kutita. That lights on and off.
No. Why will I go there?
So, nisurprise niya ako guys. Pumunta siya sa Jollibee. Bumili siya ng cake niya tsaka chocolate. Thank you. Thank you, Milan.
Sige na.
Ang haba ng hair ko guys. It's my birthday. But it should go to the person you care and love the most.
Intimate birthday celebration.
So, I will give it to myself. Okay.
Give it to Ivan. If he can eat.
Its first bite is for Milan. Thank you. It's yummy.
Good.
What is tiramisu? Blueberry cheesecake. Sarap. Harap.
Very tasty.
I know where we bought this. Starbucks. Yeah.
Not Starbucks. You show them.
Harap.
It's not available in Starbucks.
Which? Anong place ang open ng ganitong oras? 2:00.
Bakery.
Bakery.
Coffee shop.
Coffee shop.
But not all.
Harap. Milan naman, kaya pork naman.
Seriam.
Ayan guys, we decided na sa Central Park na lang kami kakain. So ayan si Kathleen. Hi Kat! Ayan si Doc, hawak-hawak si Ivan. Sherian and James at the back. So ayan, tulog pa ang baby natin. So sa restaurant tayo kakain. Let's go. So, ayan guys, mag-dinner tayo dito sa restaurant nila. So, dito kami laging nag-dinner ni Milan nung nag-aaral pa kami sa Angeles. So, ito yung tinatawag nilang, what do you call this one? Central Park Tower. Let's go. Pasok tayo sa loob. So, ayan kasama natin ang baby. Natutulog siya. Hawak-hawak ni Tita Kat niya. And Sherry Ann, hello! So, ayan. Punta tayo sa rooftop, guys. Doon tayo kumain. Ayan. Dito kami laging kumakain nila kapag nag-date kami. Let's go. Sige.
Eat.
Rooftop. Ilan tayo? 5 tayo? Table for 5.
Hi, Kat. Hello, gising ka na. Gising na yung batang yan, no? Oh.
Naulahan niya. Nakain.
Once the waiter
Cheesy loaded fries hoती last time. Sabi fries.
So, ayan, dumating na yung order ni Kat. What is that, Kat? Mango shake. And this one, Sherry Ann. Anong in-order mo, be?
Strawberry lang.
Strawberry. Tikman mo nga, masarap. Sarap? Tikman natin, guys. Pure. I think this is pure.
Mas masarap.
Ito, strawberry.
Parang hindi yung...
Oh. Ay, oo, masarap. Masarap yung strawberry. Yung mango niya, pure.
Na?
Yung
Mango
mango
pure.
juice, pure siya.
Ano mango? Ivan! Kahit na.
So, ayan, nandito po kami dito sa may Central Tower. Kumakain kami ng dinner together with Baby Ivan. Hi, Daddy! So, ayan, kasama niya si Ivan dito. Kumakain kami dito sa may Central Tower. Ayan, ganda ng view dito, oh. Ayan, guwapo naman ang mag-ama ko. Dinner date with Ivan and Milan. Ay, ay, ay. Guwapo, guwapo. Ang tinitignan mo, bebe ko? What are you looking at? Ha? What are you looking at? Tinitignan niya itong number.
I'm looking at my dinner.
Oh, dinner daw, dinner.
Looking at my dinner. You, mama.
Ayan, kasama natin si Sherry Ann and James. Hi! Dinner na tayo, guys. Ayan, si Katlyn.
Hi.
Hi! And Milan and Ivan. So, ayan guys, umorder lang kami ng pizza because we'll be eating somewhere also kasi. So, dito, after dito, kain kami dun sa may Totobit.
What about carbonara pasta?
It will come. Carbonara will come. So, and meron tayo ditong carbonara, guys. So, kain na. Milan, try it. Try nyo siya. How was it?
Sarap.
Masarap?
Tinalo yellow. Like mo lang.
Tingnan si Kuya Milan nyo. Masarap. Yummy. So, ito, kuha kayong carbonara. James, how was it? Sarap? Kat, tikman mo ba?
Manta?
I think it's better if you
Sarap.
like this.
Kain na tayo, guys. Kuha na tayo ng carbonara, guys. Masarap. Ayan.
But I think I like my yellow cup talaga.
Tikman mo, Kat.
But it's delicious. And I'll top them. But number one pa rin yellow cup.
Sarap. Right Over here naman guys, meron tayong mozzarella bites. Tapos meron siyang dipping doon. Natin kay Kuya Milan. Dip it.
I know.
Mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella stick. Sarap. Hindi niya gusto. Tikman mo siya. No. Okay naman. Masarap. Oh, ikaw. James, ikaw tikman mo, be.
Yan na lang sa akin. Nayat. Okay lang, tanto. Not good pala.
Hindi daw masarap. Hindi na gustuhan. Ikakat. Okay lang naman. It's not ugly.
Ugly.
Eatable. Okay lang. Okay lang para sa akin. Hi everyone! So ayan, kasama natin si Doc Milan. Hi! Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So nagda-drive siya. Dito kasama natin si Ivan and Kathleen. Saan tayo pupunta, Kat?
SM.
So, magpupunta kami sa SM because it's Christmas season, di ba? So, mamimili na tayo ng pang-exchange gift natin and panreregalo natin sa mga ano natin, mga kamag-anak or sa mga family natin. So, ayan si Ivan. Ay, kagwapo naman ang bembe kong yan. Nasa likod siya, guys. Oh, ayan. Kasama niya si Tita Kathleen niya. So, balitaan ko kayo mamaya, guys, pag nakapunta na kami sa mall. Pero pupunta muna kami sa resort. Tingnan natin yung mga guests doon. And tingnan natin kung okay na ba yung resort, malinis na. Tapos, i-meet natin yung mga guests tayo mag-entertain sa kanila. Ayan guys, dumaan tayo dito sa may resort. And nagparada tayo dito sa may kubo. Ayan tayo. Nagbigay daw ng regalo kay Ivan, oh. From Ate Nes. Who gave it, mother?
Tita Nes,
Tignan
gawa
natin.
ano.
Ay, bongga! Ay, bongga!
Iban,
May bongga naman.
Iban.
Binigay daw, guys. So,
Diba?
so ngayon, guys, napag-isipan namin na bumili ng mga hala-halaman kasi dinedecorate pa namin yung daan namin doon sa may resort. So, nandito kami ngayon sa may nursery. Ayan, guys, oh, meron silang mga bato-bato dito. Ayan sila Milan, naghahanap na sila ng mga ilalagay doon sa may ano natin, sa may road natin. Kasama natin si Kathleen. Hi, Kat! Ay, so pretty naman ang babying yan. Ay, handsome, handsome! Ay! So, ayan, nandun na sila, oh, naghahanap na. Tara, pasok tayo. Ayun, sasakyan natin. So, pasok na tayo sa loob. Dinedirect na tayo. So, anong gusto natin, Kat? Yung medyo malalaki na, no? Para hindi na tayo mahirapan pa.
Kalamansi.
Ay, kalamansi daw. O, ayan. Dito tayo. Tara, pasok tayo dito. Kaya mo siya, Kat? Daan tayo dito. Baka, ano, may mga paso-paso sila, oh. Saka mga hala-halaman dito na pang decorations. Madulas ka, ha, Kat? Dahan-dahan. Ayun, nandun sila sa may dulo. Gusto ko sana yung medyo malalaki na para kapag malaki na hindi na tayo mahirapan pa sa pagpapalaki, hindi na mamatay. Ayan siya. Kaya mo pa, Kat?
Yes.
Kaya pa? Ayan. Wala akong idea sa mga hala-halaman eh. Ayun o, dinidiligan nila yung mga binilenta nila. Anong 9 pieces? Anong
Carabao mango.
Ay, hello po.
Hello po. Anong kinukuha nila sa 9 pieces?
Mangga po.
Carabao mango.
Indian mango na yun.
It's okay. We eat Carabao mango. Oo. We have Carabao mango in our house.
Yung vlogger, ano ba?
Ay, nakilala tayo ni Ate.
Yes
Hi,
po.
Kate.
Hello po.
May discount kami niyan.
Yes.
May discount daw. Ready to sleep na ang baby ko. Ay, kapogi naman ang baby ko. Para siyang teddy bear. Para siyang teddy bear, oh. Ay, kapogi-pogi naman yan.
Oo, sige.
Nasaan? Nasaan ang baby Ivan? Where's baby Ivan? Hi, baby Ivan. Hello.